So here we have the new Wacaco Minipresso NS2. I used to have the first version, but for Cafissimo capsules. This one is for Nespresso. Let's open it up and see. The manual, it comes in a little bag, which is pretty nice. And voila, it's pretty small, nice and compact, good materials. There's a brush. Once you're done, you can simply place it like this. The pump mechanism and where we put the capsule. Actually, it should be here, right there. This is where I put the capsule. And close it up. Wait a second. No movement. Yeah, no movement. Just close it up. And screw this in. Nice and neat, actually. So I'm gonna rinse it off inside with some hot water. That way we'll have it preheated, and then I'm gonna pull a shot. So I've rinsed it with hot water, which also preheated the device. It's not necessary, in my opinion, to preheat it, but I found out that this nozzle part actually clicks onto the front part of the device. Just like that, and you can remove it easily. Let's put an espresso capsule here. Nice and tight. Let's fill it up with water. Now, just to mimic the Nespresso machine, I want to use a timer because it's brand new and I'm not used to it. Let me turn it this way, it's more comfortable. Steady flow is what we're looking for. You can see the output is actually pretty good. We're keeping the pump steady. You can feel that should be enough. I put more water in. Yeah, timing should be about the same, 28 to 35 seconds. Should be fine. In time, the more you use it, the better feeling you'll get, and optimize it actually. Let's have a sip. Brilliant, lovely.